Friends, I want to draw your attention to the retail outlets for petrol and diesel in America. For instance, in India, these retail outlets are exclusively owned or operated by the uh, marketing petroleum companies, and all of them have their logos. But that is not the case in America. In America, many of the chains of, say, marketing companies which are marketing different products, they have come up and they have established their own retail outlets. So, for instance, Costco is one of the units or, say, company here which is famous for marketing the products of a different kind, all sorts of household requirements with the competitive rates, and they market different brands. They also have across the America the retail outlets which are marketing petrol and diesel. So these Costco outlets, they are comparatively cheaper and very cost effective, and they are very popular here. Besides, some more brands like Waba, they also have come up. They have the retail outlets for the marketing of petrol and diesel. Besides, they have certain other famous things like, say, coffee. Their coffee is very popular and it is very cost effective. So many of these marketing companies, they are coming out with complete proposals wherein they market different household products besides the petroleum marketing. So petroleum marketing is not exclusive right of the petroleum companies here. All these units, they also do it, and there are outlets of petroleum companies, but they are not as popular. Just see this outlet, how much crowd is there, and there's a long queue here of all the customers who are wanting to buy, and we have been waiting here for about 10 minutes and still not able to get to the dispensing unit. So this is a difference in marketing as well as the difference in the policies, and the marketing rights for the petroleum product do not require such an elaborate licenses here as they are required in India. So this is one of the difference. See, this is the kind of units which they have. Although the multiple product dispensers are common in India also, but the shape of the units is a bit different. Here, these units are looks quite sturdy and big one, which is not the case in India. Although in India also there are modern units, and one thing in India which is there is that the number of staff is quite substantial. Here at this Costco unit, the staff is there, but at many of the locations, nobody is there to fill your car. So this is another thing. See, have a look at this. And in the background, the Costco wholesale outlet is there. And this is the attached retail outlet with that.